Hi viewers, today I am showing how to cast your phone to TV. That is for that option we have one application called Magi Connect. Okay, if you can download the Magi Connect, so you can cast your phone and you can particular photos you can cast to TV or videos or entire phone. So that application I will show step by step how you can use Magi Connect application on your TV, phone to a TV. Okay, for Magi Connect, first you have to download Magi Connect application on your phone, Android phone. Okay, just go to a Play Store and you can type a Magi Connect. Once you can type Magi Connect, you can get this. Just you can click on it and it will ask for download. You can just click install and it will take some time to install. Okay, you can see that download has been completed and installed also. I am opening this application. It will take some few steps. You have to finish this. You can select any preferred language. I'm selecting English. Okay. Or you can skip this option. Once you select a language, it will ask for agree or disagree. Just you select agree. And once it's download done, if suppose TV also that Magi Connect is previously downloaded, it's by default it's get connected. You can see here we are using 65p 75 model. Okay, so TV also download has been completed, that is why by default it's connected. Okay, and after that TV you have to do some settings. If you are doing first time Magi Connect download, so for this you have to find a Magi Connect application. It was placed in T channel. Okay, you can go to the T channel application bar and you can select this. It's a Magi Connect. It's already downloaded. If it is not downloaded, it will take some few minutes to download. Okay, once it's download complete, so it will get connect to your phone. Okay, here you can find, you just click next and next and okay. Now it's ready to cast. Okay, here is a two option, one connection, one wireless display. You can select here on wireless display and you can select here on. You click OK and you click OK and your phone go to a Magi Connect. Here you can find many options. Okay, reminder, mirror, screenshot, cast photo, cast video, cast music and game zone. I'm selecting here mirroring. Okay, once you select this mirroring, you can see here the TV model number is here showing. By default you select this and you have to click start now. You can see the entire phone is mirrored to TV. You can see here the entire phone was mirrored. If you can go to any application or you can open any YouTube, entire phone was mirrored to TV. You can play game, whatever it is want you can do. Okay, and one more option is there. If you don't want to mirror your phone and you have to select particular photo or videos, that is also you can do. For that option you can go to again MagiConnect option and select cast photo. Okay, if you select cast photo, and if you select there will be many options. Okay, on reminder, mirroring, screenshot, cast photo, cast video, cast music, and game zone. I'm selecting cast photo. Okay, just you click allow. You can see here some of the photos are showing which is there in my phone. Okay, just suppose I'm selecting any one photo, and here you can find cast to TV. You have to select the option, and you can see there the same photo was displayed in the TV. The phone was not mirrored, and particularly photo which I need to show, that photo only showing on the screen. Same like video. Okay, video also same thing you have to do. For video you have to select cast video, and you can select any particular video, and you can cast to select just cast to TV. Okay, the enter video was come to your screen, TV screen. You can see I have shared that particular video, so it's playing on TV. Same like which you want to play on your screen, big screen, so you can select the particular option, particular video or particular photo and particular music. The particular content only you can play from your phone. The costing is entire phone was mirrored to your TV. So if somebody don't want to show entire screen on your TV means that time you can select the particular option. If you select the mirroring option means the entire phone will get mirror. So if you can select those options, the only particular content will show on your TV. Okay, and this option you can do it through your mobile hotspot also. If you don't have any mobile Wi-Fi or any your internet, so you can use it on share hotspot. You can have to select the share hotspot, and you have to click, and you have to select your phone hotspot, and you have to share it through your screen. Okay, same phone you can create it as a hotspot, and you can share your screen to TV. And if suppose you have to add this MagiConnect on your favorite application, so simply you have to click this plus mark, and you can select which application you have to add in your favorite application. So just I'm clicking MagiConnect, so it's showing in favorite apps. Okay, thank you.